From the previous example, we found out that the Cartesian equation of a plane, the vector equation of a plane was given by this. Now they want us to go ahead and get the Cartesian equation of a plane. What we shall need is to get the normal vector. And if you still recall, getting a normal vector, we said we cross this vector with this vector, just that. We shall cross I, J, K. When we cross it with this one, 1, -2, -3, 2, 1, and -2, just that. Then the cross product, don't forget we cross this one with that one. When you cross this and this, you get the normal vector. Then I will write those of I first. Then if I write I will eliminate this of I and this. I will remain with only this. -2 times the -2 will be 4 minus 1 times -3 will be -3. Then if I add in -3 here, then minus J into, I will eliminate this and this. I will remain with 1 times -2 minus, because it's a product on the major diagonal minus product on the minor diagonal. I'm eliminating this and this will be a -6 minus a -6 plus K into this and this. I'm eliminating this one and this one because it is where K is found. I'll remain with only this one. 1 times 1, which is 1, minus -2 times 2, which is -4, something like that. Then I'll write the normal vector as this will go for plus. Then I'll have I into a 7, then minus J into this one will become a plus, so that we have a 4 because it will be -2 plus 6. Then plus K into 1 minus 4, then it will become a 5. Then the normal vector finally will become 7I, then minus 4J, then plus 5K as the normal. Then from there we can go ahead and get the equation of a plane. From that information, after getting the normal, we are going to refer to it and we get it at once, so that we don't come back to the same example. We say that if we get a normal times any point R, will be giving us a normal times any point A. The normal is this one we are having. R is arbitrary constant. R is X, Y, and Z. If you still recall from the one of lines we could do it, it is the same case. We just get the normal, which is 7 minus 4 and 5, then times the R, which is X, Y, and Z. We shall be getting the normal which is 7 minus 4 and 5, then times any point. This point, you just choose it from any of these ones. If you still recall these points, you can either take this, you can take this, or this. But if you still recall, we moved just from the equation of from the vector equation of a plane. Now the only point we are having, this is a vector, this is a vector, because this is AB, this is SC, this is already a vector and a vector. This is the only point that is OA. Now it's better use this point, which is 2, 3, and 4. Meaning here we shall need the point A, which is 2, 3, and 4. Just like that. Then we multiply 7 times X, it will be 7X plus 4 times minus B minus 4Y, then plus 5 times Z. Here when we are dotting these ones, just add them, plus 5Z. This one will be 7 times 2, which will be 14, plus 4 times 3 will be minus 12, then 5 times 4, which will be plus what? Plus 20. Here we shall get 7X minus 4Y, then plus 5Z will be equaling to 14 minus 12 is 2, plus here it will be 22. Now since it has X, Y, and Z, then this one is the Cartesian form, Cartesian equation of the plane. This is how we move from the vector equation of a plane to Cartesian equation and so on. Then from there we are going to get what if we have a vector. We don't have points like the way this one was, but we have a vector. How can we go about it? If you are given a vector, then it means they have given you a normal already. Now you don't need to go ahead and do other stuff like the one we have just done, that if you are given a normal which is A, B and C now, and any other point which will be A naught, B naught and C naught, we just go to the formula directly, that the normal times the arbitrary point will be equal to the normal times any point given, which is A. Now the normal, which is A, B, C, times any arbitrary point x, y, z, will be equaling to A, B, C, then times the A naught, B naught, C naught. Then A times x will be ax plus B times y, by, then plus C times z will be cz. This one will be equaling to A times A naught, A naught plus B times B naught, B naught, then plus C times C naught, C naught, and we usually call this one a constant D. Then so that we have ax plus by plus cz is a constant value D. Now if you want to trace off the normal from this one, if you are given the equation like this, to get the equation of the normal, you just pick off this one on x, this on y, this on z, and you say you have A, B and C. These are the coordinates of the normal. You just pick the value on x, the value on y, the value on z. You continue and smash the numbers. Let's do some live example and we see.